Alright, so problem 2-1 no, in HPGE. It says that if a depth of a liquid of 1 meter causes a pressure of 7 kilopascal, what is the specific gravity of the liquid? Ang mga ganitong klaseng problem class, parang we are just playing with the units, no? So, let's say, no, ano ang ibig sabihin ng 7 kilopascal? Diba? Ano ang ibig sabihin ng 7 kilopascal? That is actually pressure, di ba? Okay. Again, no, the unit for pressure is actually Pascal. Okay. The unit of pressure is actually Pascal, or Pascal is just the same as Newton per square meter. Ang Newton per square meter, that is, no, Newton is force and then square meter is area. So meaning your pressure is equals to force over area. Okay, so again, ulitin natin, the unit for pressure is Pascal. Kung kilopascal, that is times 10 to the power of 3, no? So ang ibig sabihin ng Pascal is Newton per square meter. Newton referring to the force. Ang square meter, that is actually area. So meaning, ang pressure P is equals to force over area. So pwede, no, sa P6, no? And then sa hydro class, ang Pascal natin, which is the unit for pressure, is, diba, Newton per square meter. Pwede ko gawin itong Newton per cubic meter, diba? Lagyan ko lang ng isang meter dito para cancel out, para magiging square meter pa rin. Okay? So, ano kaya class ang Newton? Ano ang ibig sabihin ng Newton per cubic meter? That is the specific weight or the unit weight, no? Newton per cubic meter. And then meter, that is actually distance or height. So meaning, ang pressure natin is also equals to the unit weight or the specific weight times the height. Okay? So, ulitin natin ang tanong, no? If a depth of a liquid 1 meter causes a pressure of 7 kilopascal, what is the specific gravity? So, he is asking class for specific gravity of the liquid. No, tanong ko, ano kaya ang formula ng specific gravity? So, dalawa yun, no? Yung isa ay, diba, specific gravity is equals to, of course, specific weight or the unit weight of the water, then the unit weight of the liquid. Yan. So, pwede din, specific gravity is equals to the mass density of the water, the density of the substance or the liquid. Okay, so since ang binigay class pressure, para hindi na tayo mahirapan, we are going to use this one. Specific gravity is equals to a specific weight of the substance over the specific weight of the water. Okay, now, okay, so again, no, he is asking for the specific gravity of the liquid. So our SG is equals to, ano ang unit weight ng water, then unit weight ng liquid. So it's just the same as equals, no? Excuse me. Unit weight of the water. How much is the unit of weight of the water? That is 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meter. Ano ang unit weight ng liquid? So pwede natin kunin ang unit weight ng liquid using pressure P. This one, no? Using this one. So again, pressure P is equals to 7 kilopascal. That is 7 kilonewton per square meter. equals the unit weight of the liquid times height, which is 1 meter. So our unit weight of the liquid is 7 kilonewton, 7 no, kilonewton per cubic meter na siya kasi divided by 1 meter. So that is 7 kilonewton per cubic meter. So this is actually the unit weight of the liquid, no? 7 kilonewton per cubic meter. So ito class, kailangan natin siya dito to solve specific gravity. How much? That is 7 kilonewton per cubic meter. Okay, so ayusin ko ulit, no? Ayusin ko ulit, specific gravity. So, kasi he is asking for the specific gravity is equals to 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meter. Sa taas ay 7 kilonewton per cubic meter. So we can cancel out the units. Cancel out. So ang naiwan ay walang units, no? Unitless. So 7 over 9.81 using calculator. Fraction natin. Then 7 over 9.81 equals 0.7135. So specific gravity SG is equals to 0.7135. So walang unit, no? This one is the specific gravity of the liquid. Okay, 0.7135. Yeah. So in the depth of a liquid, 1 meter causes a pressure of 7 kilopascal. So the specific gravity is 0.7135.